Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is health, career, and finances reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of October 2025. Please don't take my the tarot readings as medical advice or career advice or financial advice. These are just energy check-in. It's a disclaimer. Okay, want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. And for personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Okay, Cancer. Let's start with your health because health is the biggest wealth that anyone can have. Honestly speaking, let's see. We have the Knight of Swords. You will be traveling a lot, or you will be running away, like running a lot for work, and for work or for your own things. You're avoiding your health completely, Cancer, don't you? You're like, oh my God, I'm so busy. I have to do this. I have to do that. I have to grab a coffee. Then I have to work for 12 hours a day, 15 hours a day. You're avoiding your health completely. Although you might be working a lot, like physically you are moving a lot, like because you're busy but for whatever reason, but you are completely off track when it comes to a health thing. You're like, I'm trying my best to keep my health in check, but it's not happening. What should I do, Anjali? It's hard. Yeah, it's hard. So the month of October, I do see you avoiding your health because of other priorities in your life, because of a lot of things going on. You need to spend a lot of time in other things. Whenever if somebody is going to talk to you about health, you're going to be like, I don't have time. I'll talk to you about it afterwards. When, I don't know. Beware of minor injuries because you are being in a very restless and fast moving and fast forward energies. A little bit of minor injury is going to is can be there, especially while traveling. Don't rush, don't be in any kind of hurry. Be in a calm, composed energy. Whatever you are doing, try to do it with compassion, with peace. Not rush. Don't rush. Like ankle sprain, a little bit of injury can be there if you're not going to be calm and peaceful about your traveling thing. Let's see the guidance. See, I told you, Empress. This is a very important time for you guys. So for those of you guys who are trying to be pregnant or pregnant already, please take medical advice if you are having any kind of issues. Yeah, even if you have slightest issues that is making you uncomfortable, please talk to your doctor about it properly and honestly. Okay, don't refrain or don't take it like, oh, it happens. Hmm. Again, I'm not scaring you, just giving you an advice. If you feel like you can take it, if you don't, just reject me, delete me, block me. Okay, you have every right to keep yourself safe and sane. In the guidance thing, the Empress implies you have a lot of potential to have growth and expansion, to have a beautiful health. Right now, the health thing is going well. That's why you might be taking it for granted. But this health thing is never going to be like this always. So make a proper plan that is going to help you in your busy schedule also. Like you can take 10 minutes or 5 minutes of stretching, eating properly, eating nutritious food. Especially if you travel a lot, try to use the diet thing as your main thing, if not the physical activity thing. Okay, that will help you. So small changes in your day-to-day life is going to bring you good results. Okay, use creativity also. Creativity means today I'm going to dance for 10 minutes, then next day I'm going to walk for 10 minutes, and then next day I'm going to do cardio for 10 minutes. Use like that if this is boring for you. hmm? Routine is boring for you. Let's see, for those of you who are doing job or working for others, how it is going to be for you guys, Cancer. Ace of Pentacles. So, whatever you are working for, you are going to have another opportunity also, a brand new opportunity for you guys, a brand new career opportunity for some of you. For others of you, you are going to be provided a brand new project that is going to have a life changing impact on your career. So something, some kind of solid stable offer is coming forward towards you that can change your career path for the rest of your life if taken care of seriously, if worked with honesty. So a brand new opportunity is going to knock at your door in this month, whether it's a totally new job offer or career opportunity, or whatever you are doing, you are going to get something totally brand new and stable project. And that is going to have a huge impact on your career path. So make good use of this one. Awesome. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Cancer. Five of Cups. See, because you have experiences that let you down in the past, you had bad past experiences, and you felt like you have done all of your hard work before also, but you failed. It doesn't mean that you are going to fail every time. It doesn't mean that everything is going to fall apart again. It was just an experience, and actually learn from that experience. Do not feed this negativity, this feeling like, oh my god, what if I'm going to mess this up or fuck this up, or what if I will not be able to manage it or something. Don't be on that. Don't be in this don't go in this negative spiral. Okay, learn from your experience instead of making it like that this is my life. This was just an experience, honey. Okay, for those of you who are doing business or self-employed, let's see how it is going to be for you guys. Knight of Pentacles. Things are moving on a very, very slow pace, at a very, very slow pace, right? Things are not moving forward. It doesn't mean that things are bad. Things are just a little bit slow, actually, very slow. And you might feel stagnant, that you're not able to understand what you should do next in order to give a pace or direction to your business thing. Although it's slow, but it's progressing. You might not be able to see the progress properly right now, but behind the scenes things are progressing. They are slow and steady, slow and grounded energy. Even if you're not able to feel it, even if you're not able to see it right now, things are happening at a very, very slow pace. So slow progress, slow and steady progress in your career, in your business thing or self-employment thing. So no major changes or shifts, but things are progressing actually in a stable way. It's a good thing. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this one. Page of Swords. You know, honey, you have to add some kind of new things, different things in your business thing. Learn a new skill, add a new skill, make it the online, like take it global, take it online, if not already. If it's online, start adding some kind of, you know, group discount thing or something like that. You can take help from a social media manager or a person who handle things online. That will also help you to grow your business or start giving you to give your business a pace direction. If this business is not online already, start taking it online. Instagram posting, YouTube posting, and you presenting your business idea in a unique way is going to help you. Or you can hire a social media manager or somebody who can help you to grow your business. Adding a new thing, adding a new skill or new energy, new vibe to your business is going to help you a lot in the coming future. So you can look for it. I intuitively feel like you were looking for this guidance, or you were just you just know it obviously, and you were just looking for a sign or something. So this is your sign. Just do it. Don't overspend. You don't have to hire somebody who is like 25 years old experience, 25-year experience, and they can handle it, and they are going to charge you, you know, your kidney or something. Don't do that. You can hire somebody who can who is able to handle it. Today these Gen Z people are very very smart. Hmm? So hire somebody, maybe a known person can like tell you this, or you can hire somebody with reviews, good work. Okay, so don't overspend, but you can think about it. That's what I'm getting for you guys. Let's see for new job seekers or new business seekers, whether new or experience doesn't matter, starting or restarting their job thing or business thing. Let's see what we have. Ten of Wands. It's going to be so burdensome and heavy for you guys to wait and wait and wait, and you're going to be like dropping it. You might get opportunity here, but this opportunity, instead of making you happy and light and excited about it, you are going to feel very heavy and burdensome, and you might drop this job thing or business thing the moment you are going to realize it's not meant for you, it's not what you wanted. So there might be some kind of opportunity that's going to be there, but you are going to drop it within this month only. There are not so good chances of you moving forward in a particular situation, in a new job, career thing, or new business thing. It's like you hitting some kind of reality and realizing, no, no, it should not be like this. Not happening. No, not for me. Okay. So 10th of October onwards, things will start shifting and you will start looking for another opportunities. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Cancer. Hermit. You have enough experience, wisdom, or knowledge about what you want to do and what you should have in your life as a business or career thing. Use that in your favor. Instead of taking this thing as a punishment, take it as a blessing, that this is what is going to happen if you are not going to align with your heart and soul when it comes to your career thing. Think long and hard enough about exactly what you want in your business or job thing and exactly how it should make you feel, and then start from the start with that newfound wisdom of yours. Even if you are a fresher, you have this intuition, you have this knowledge, and you have this like a wisdom to understand what you want and how you want it. Okay, so until unless you are going to feel aligned and valued enough, I think you should just keep going and start like keep looking for the opportunities. Hmm. Don't keep on thinking about it, take the actions also from your side. Okay, just thinking about it and not doing anything about it, it's not going to do anything, not going to make you a successful career, right? Let's see about your finances, Cancer. Ten of Pentacles. Your finances are looking extremely good to me. Very beautiful. Especially if it is like a joint account thing, joint investment with your family, or your family business is going to grow, and or you are going to get some kind of property, some kind of financial help from your family. Something related to your family is going to enhance your finances in a very very beautiful and positive and stable way. It's like you planning for a retirement or something, and you seeing a good future in your investments and in your savings. Yep, your finances financial area looks really very good and stable. Guidance, let's see what we have, Cancer. Six of Pentacles. You have to seek a balance between how you are going to spend your money and invest or save your money. You have to have a balanced approach. Sometimes you might be saving a lot and sometimes not at all. Sometimes you're investing good and then you forget about it completely. Or sometimes you're a spendthrift, like spending money like crazy, like a king or queen, and then regretting it later on. You have to figure out a proper balanced kind of approach. Don't be miserable, but don't overspend. in like a proper strategy or plan is going to help you to keep your money thing on track. Okay, honey, this is what I have for you for this month. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.